In this video, we're going to show how moles, when you work them out, can be used to balance equations. Now, very simply, if you know the mass of products and the reactions that you've got, you can work out the number of moles of each, and from that, you can balance the equation. So the method, basically, 3 steps. Work out the moles of each reactant, and then work out the moles of each product. From those results, look to see what is the smallest and divide everyone by the smallest result, because you'll get at least one that comes out as 1. And then the whole numbers that you get, these become the numbers which go in front in the equation. So let's do an example. So first one, 2.4 grams of magnesium react with 7.3 grams of hydrochloric acid to form 9.5 grams of magnesium chloride and 0.2 grams of hydrogen. Use these masses to balance the equation. Now we're given the relative atomic mass of magnesium is 24, hydrogen is 1, and chlorine is 35.5. So the first thing, let's put the mass of each element that we're given. So magnesium is 2.4 grams. Hydrochloric acid is 7.3 grams. Magnesium chloride is 9.5 grams. And hydrogen is 0.2. Now, to get the moles of each one, very simple. We use the old triangle again. The number of moles equals the mass you're given divided by the mass of 1 mole, or the formula mass. So let's work out these. So magnesium is very straightforward. It's just an element, and we see the relative atomic mass of magnesium is 24. Let's look at hydrogen. Relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and because it's H2, it's 2. Relative atomic mass, so 1 mole of hydrochloric acid is hydrogen, which is 1, plus chlorine, 35.5, which comes out as 36.5. Magnesium chloride, magnesium is 24, and 2 chlorines. 2 chlorines will come out as 71, plus 24 will come out as 95. Now, working these out, we've got 0.1. This will come out as 0.2. This will come out as 0.1. And this will come out as 0.1. So the smallest figure we've got is 0.1. So if we divide everything by 0.1, this will give us 1, 2, 1, 1. And where that shows in the equation will be like this. We've got magnesium plus HCl goes to magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. Now, from what we've worked out, it will be 1 there, 2 there, 1, 1. Now, we wouldn't bother with the 1s normally, so it'll be just Mg plus 2HCl goes to MgCl2 plus H2. Using very similar techniques to we've used all the way along. Now, let's look at another one. This time, we've got 0.8 grams of sodium hydroxide. So 0.8 grams of sodium hydroxide. We've got 0.975 grams of copper chloride. 1.345 grams of copper chloride and 0.975 grams of copper hydroxide and 1.17 grams of sodium chloride. Now, need to get the number of moles, and again, remember, moles equals the mass divided by the mass of 1 mole. So, sodium hydroxide, sodium is 23. Sorry, I made a mistake there. 23. Oxygen is 16 and hydrogen is 1. So 23 plus 16 plus 1, it comes to 40. Copper chloride. We've got 2 chlorines, 2 35.5s come out at 71. Plus 3.5, 71 plus 63 comes out as 134. Copper hydroxide. Oxygen and hydrogen comes out at 17. 2 17s are 34. 34 plus 63.5 comes out as 97.5. And sodium chloride, we've got 23 plus 35.5 comes out as 58.5. Now, working these out. So 0.8 divided by 40, that equals 0.02. 1.345 divided by 134.5 comes out as 0.01. 0.975 divided by 97.5 will be 0.01. And 1.17 divided by 58.5 will come out as 0.02. So the smallest of these results is 0.01. So let's divide everything by 0.01. 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. So this will come out as 2, 1, 1, 2. So then our equation then becomes, let's take our NaOH plus CuCl2 goes to CuOH twice plus NaCl. Now if we drop our figures in, we've got 2 lots of sodium hydroxide and 2 lots of sodium chloride. Now this time I'm not bothering to put the ones in because the equation's balanced and we know need to put ones in. So method is straightforward. Follow it. One final example. I'm making this slightly harder because I'm going to use volumes of gas. So we've got 2.4 decimeter cube of ethene reacts with 7.2 decimeter cube of oxygen to form 4.8 decimeter cube of carbon dioxide and 4.8 decimeter cube of water, which will be in the form of steam. Now, the important thing here, please, is this, that the molar volume of any gas is 24 decimeter cube. So when we want to get the moles of gases, we divide by 24. So working these out, 2.4 divided by 24, 0.1. 7.2 divided by 24 is 0.3. 4.8 divided by 24 is 0.2. 4.8 divided by 24 again is 0.2. So the smallest of these results is 0.1. So we divide everything by 0.1. And lo and behold, we get 1, 3, 2, 2. So in terms of our equation, we have C2H4 plus O2 goes to CO2 plus H2O. Now, putting the numbers in that we've worked out, no need to put the 1 in. We've got 3 oxygens, we've got 2 carbon dioxides, and we've got 2 waters. And there, again, using the molar equations again, we're able to solve this calculation. I hope that's straightforward for you.